Who's ready for tons of eye candy? I've got some new pieces that I'm adding to my collection in today's video. Trust me, you're gonna wanna see all of these. I've got like prices all over the board. I've got 2 brand new bags, one more on the affordable side, one definitely super excited about, and then I also have one pre-loved bag that I cannot believe that I finally added to my collection. Let's go. I did partner with Saks Fifth Avenue for today's video. What? Did I just say that? Yes, I did. So the first 3 items that I'm gonna share with you guys are from Saks. They're having a really amazing sale right now, up to $175 off of your order. I will put all of the details down below in the info box. Lots of brands, all the items that I'm gonna share with you guys, and so much more. Saks is where it's at, you guys, when it comes to luxury, whether you're shopping for beauty brands, shoes, handbags, which I've got a little of both to share with you guys. Check out the sale, it's kind of amazing. Whether you're doing something a little small, I think the savings start from $35 all the way up to $175. It starts today and it ends tomorrow, so make sure to check it out. So the first item that I ordered from Saks is a pair of shoes. I am in love with these sandals, and I knew that I wanted to add one more color for the season, so I got another pair of Millers. I've always wanted to get them in this creamy white. Are those not just so beautiful and perfect for summer? I will be able to pull these out year after year, every spring and summer. These are just a classic sandal, and if you don't have a pair yet, you definitely should grab them, especially right now during the sale. We're gonna go from biggest to smallest, and the handbags that I'm gonna share with y'all are true unboxings. I am seeing them for the first time with you guys, and I'm actually really excited about this one. I have seen it before on other like influencers through like on social media, and I've always been super intrigued by not only the brand, but this specific bag. You can kind of see it through the wrapping, but like I said, these are true unboxings, and I just thought this bag was so beautiful. Of course, I went for this uber neutral, like cognac camel color. Okay, first off the bat, the color is stunning, you guys. I wish you could see this. Oh, it smells amazing. Oh, I love it, I love it, I love it. Oh, does it come with like a little detachable pouch? That is adorable, that is adorable. Let me show you what I can see here. It has like this little, oh my goodness, that is so adorable. I love that. Okay, I think there's a strap inside. Yes, there is. Let me pull it out and get all the wrapping off of it. Hold please. Here she is. So she has an adjustable strap, which I love, but I don't know why. I have always been drawn to this one, and there is another style from the same brand. I think you pronounce it Staud. I have always loved it. I'll pop on a picture of it. It is the one with the clear pouch, and then one very similar to this sitting inside the clear pouch. It's been around for a while, so it is one of those like classic styles that, again, you don't have to worry about it going out of style. This particular bag retails for $250. It is part of the sale though, so keep in mind you can get some off of that for sure. But yeah, this one retails for $250, and this is in the color tan. I really love the color of this. The quality of the leather is beautiful, and I really love the stitching detail on this. Those handles are so pretty. Isn't that just such a beautiful bag? As you saw, it does come with this like pull out pouch. I guess it's so that everything isn't just open. There is no pockets or anything. You've just got a little tag right there with the brand name. The lining is really beautiful. Hopefully you can see the texture of that, but it is like a brown suede lining. That is a really beautiful lining, and I am loving that gold hardware. It is a matte gold, like almost like vintage hardware. Here is the dust bag. So here's the dust bag. It does come with one of those, and then you've also got the same lining in this pouch. I probably won't use the pouch in the bag though. I think the pouch would be great kind of on its own as like a separate like toiletry bag that you could use in like larger bags, but I probably wouldn't use the bag. I don't mind the opening. If anything, I almost kind of find that to be a plus. It makes it really, really easy to get in and out of. But this is really, really cute. I'm glad I snagged this one. The last thing that I ordered from Saks is something that I hinted about for a while that I've wanted. I have been using another one for the last several weeks. It does the job, but I just really, really wanted something that fit a little better. It is from Saint Laurent. This is seriously one of my favorite brands, you guys. I love Saint Laurent. Like, their handbags and just in general have really kind of jumped up to the top of my list. I've really just fallen in love with the brand. When I saw this piece, I knew it was not only classic and timeless, but I also knew it was really, really practical and something that I could truly use for our current lifestyle right now. And what I ended up getting, keep in mind, this is a true unboxing. I am just now seeing it for the first time with you guys. I ordered this Saint Laurent backpack. So it is a very, very, very simple backpack. There is really honestly nothing major as far as logos or anything. You've got a very, very understated logo, very simple, very classic, but it is a full size backpack, which I have definitely needed for my laptop. Right now, I throw my backpack like in my Gucci backpack whenever we go to like track meets, and it sticks out the top. So this one is like a canvas material. I won't have to worry about stains. It's black. I can wipe it down very, very easily. You've got, I think this is like a little card holder back here. I forgot what they said that they use this for. If you had like a ticket or something, you could put it in there for like the bus or bus pass. I'm really impressed with the size. I was not 100% sure about the size or how big it was going to be. It has silver hardware, which is great for like a really like simple, like a casual piece. Really large front compartment, which is perfect for all of the like main essentials that I need. Phone, wallet, keys, like just the essentials that I reach for the most. Maybe a little bit of cash. Maybe even like a small compact umbrella if I need that. And then we have got this larger compartment. It is so big, you guys, so big. Look at this. Oh, I love it. And it looks like we've got one larger pocket in the back. My laptop will not fit back there, but just in general, my laptop will be able to fit inside here. And I do have a really, really nice laptop case that I can put in there. Look at how big this backpack is. The straps are really, really comfortable. They're adjustable as well with, again, silver hardware. You've also got this, I don't know what you would call it, just like a little tag here. I'm not sure what the purpose of that is, but it's hanging from this little, the like ring that you usually hang your backpack, it's hanging from that. It's just like a little tag or like a keychain kind of type thing that says Saint Laurent with the leather and then the metal tab. But it's simple, it's understated. That's exactly what I was looking for. I love having pieces that are luxury, even if they're gonna be as simple as this. And I'm not 100% sure everywhere that I'm gonna wear this, but one of the reasons why I wanted to buy this to have was for track meets. I really wanted something that was more understated, wasn't so logo-y, and also something that was a full-size backpack that I could carry an umbrella, a water bottle, my laptop, like all of the things that I could possibly need and fit in, and this one is perfect. This is also included in the sale, and there are a ton of other styles from Saint Laurent that are also included in the sale. This one retails for $990. That is the last of the pieces that I ordered from Saks. Make sure to check out the links down below and check out the sale before it's gone. It is only for the next 2 days, you guys. It's happening now and it ends tomorrow. So if you're wanting to buy some luxury pieces from these brands or tons of others, make sure to check out the links down in the info box. The next piece that I have to share with you guys is something that has been on my wish list for years, like literally years. I'm pretty sure it has been on my wish list since I started LuxMommy, if not before I started LuxMommy. So I'm really excited to have it in my collection and finally to have found one. I did buy it pre-loved, but again, I was looking for a specific color, I was looking for a specific condition, and I finally found it, you guys. So unfortunately, it did not come with a dust bag, but that didn't bother me because the condition was perfect. It was the exact color that I wanted and the exact size that I wanted. I really struggled between two different sizes. It'll make sense whenever I show you the bag because I've talked about this particular bag with you guys so many times, and the bag that I have in my collection now is the Louis Vuitton Capucines in the PM size. I am so glad to finally have this bag in my collection. I have wanted to add a Capucines bag to my collection for years, but two things. I didn't want to buy it brand new, so I needed to find it pre-loved, which means it needed to be in like amazing condition. And two, I really didn't know if I wanted BB or PM, and I have done so much research. I've watched so many videos, and I just decided that the PM was the right size for me. I knew that this was the right one, and I am so glad that this is the one that I ended up ordering. As you can see, it is in amazing condition. The corners are literally perfection. I personally find that this bag does not hold its value in the pre-loved market, and I don't understand why. It is definitely one of Louis Vuitton's most classic bags. It is a classic silhouette. It is a classic timeless bag. It's not being discontinued or going anywhere anytime soon, and even if it did, it still is such a classic piece that it just doesn't make any sense to me why these do not go for very much on the pre-loved market. But because of that exact reason was why I knew I had to buy this one pre-loved. It is a little bit dressier bag. I knew I probably wouldn't reach for it a ton, even though I still wanted to add it to my collection. So I just knew that cost per wear, if I was gonna buy it, I had to save the money and I had to buy this one pre-loved. Like when I say this was in such good condition, like look at that hardware. Like it is really in amazing condition. I really lucked out with this one. It's such a beautiful piece. You got the LV logo here, but if you're wanting to even cover that, you can simply do that, and you've got the Louis Vuitton flower right there. Like it still is such a beautiful bag. It does come with an adjustable strap on the inside that is the matching color. It has a ring here and then on the opposite side here so that you can carry it longer on the strap. You can do this one crossbody as well, and like I said, it is an adjustable strap, which was really important for me. I will say I'm not sure how I'm going to carry this one. I had the idea that this would primarily be a top handle bag for me, and maybe it will, maybe it won't. I really won't know until I actually start wearing it, styling it, and see how I just prefer to hold it. I know that top handle bags can be a little bit cumbersome, can get a little bit heavy, but I have always just loved the look of a top handle bag. To me, there's something so classic and timeless about them. You do have one zip pocket here in the back. It's kind of hard to see, but it's right there. You've got a center kind of just slit to separate the two main sections, and then on this side, you just have this little slit here, but that's really for this to slide into. It also has a little clip to close the bag up, but I will say I don't really think that adds a ton of security, but it is there if you want it. This is in the color Gallet. You probably already guessed that. It is just one of my favorite leather colors. I also don't have anything in my collection in Gallet currently, do I? I do in Epi. I have that little card holder, which I do love, but I don't have anything in like the pebbled leather in Gallet, which I really wanted to add to my collection as well. I feel like I've done a really good job adding 2 Louis Vuitton pieces recently that I just didn't have. I added an Epi piece, which I didn't have, and now I have a full leather Louis Vuitton piece. So I am definitely branching out when it comes to Louis Vuitton, you guys. I am loving it. So those are my 2 main new luxury goodies. I cannot wait to wear both of them. I really think that this piece is gonna be so practical for me and my lifestyle. The size is perfection, and it really is gonna be such a worry-free backpack. I'm really excited about this piece. Make sure to check out the links down below in the info box, and make sure to shop that Saks sale before it's gone. Thanks again to Saks for sponsoring this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.